Hello everyone. In the last session we had a discussion on exact differential equation. So in this session we are going to discuss how to reduce the given equation into exact equation form. Means today concept is equation reducible to exact form. This is a second concept in modulo 4. How to reduce the given equation into exact form? So this is the question. Here before going to solve the problems on exact differential equation, means reducible to exact equation form, first we learn what is an integrating factor, how to find out the integrating factor. First condition, what is integrating factor means sometimes the given differential equation which is not an exact equation form, which is not an exact, that it can be transformed into exact equation form by multiplying some function. The function is known as integrating factor. Integrating factor means sometimes the given differential equation which is not an exact can be transformed into exact differential equation by multiplying some function is known as integrating factor. Now I am going to explain the how to find out an integrating factor for the given equation. So this is the procedure to find out the integrating factor. First we consider, suppose that the given differential equation m into dx plus n into dy is equal to 0. In case the given differential equation does not satisfy the exactness condition, means their partial derivative is m with respect to y not equal to n with respect to x. In this case we take their difference, the difference is m with respect to y minus n with respect to x. This expression should be close to the either m or n. The difference expression should be close to either m or n. In case if the expression close to n, then compute 1 by n times of m with respect to y minus n with respect to x, or in case this expression close to m, then compute 1 by m times of m with respect to y minus n with respect to x, or 1 by n times of m with respect to y minus n with respect to x, it denoted by, for time being it denoted by f of x, or similarly for second one it denoted by g of y. In the next line, e power integral of f of x into dx or e power minus integral of g of y into dy is an integrating factor. These two is an integrating factor. It's an integrating factor. For further continuation, multiplication of this factor into the equation. So multiplication of this factor into the equation, m into dx plus n into dy is equal to 0 will make an exact differential equation and then solve the modified exact differential equation. So this is the procedure to finding an integrating factor for the given differential equation. Now I am going to solve the problems on exact, means reducible to exact differential equation. First one question is solve 4xy plus 3y square minus x into dx plus x into x plus 2y into dy is equal to 0. The given equation is in the form m into dx plus n into dy, means coefficient of dx is equal to m and coefficient of dy is equal to n. Therefore first directly write down where m is equal to. After comparing the given equation into exact differential equation form, then identify m is equal to, so 4xy plus 3y square minus x, and n is equal to x into x plus 2y, or n is same as, so x square plus 2xy. So in the next line verify the exactness condition, means first find out their derivative of m and n with respect to x and y. Therefore m with respect to y partial derivative is nothing but 4x, derivative of y is 1, plus differentiation of 3y square with respect to y, therefore 6y, minus, for derivative of x with respect to y is 0. In the next line n with respect to x, so find partial derivative of n with respect to x is equal to 2x plus differentiation of 2xy with respect to x is 2y. So we can clearly observe that derivative of m with respect to y is not equal to derivative of n with respect to x, means m with respect to y is not equal to n with respect to x. Therefore, given equation is not an exact differential equation, not an exact differential equation. In this case, we take their difference, means difference of m with respect to y and n with respect to x. Therefore, difference of m with respect to y minus n with respect to x is equal to, first write on the term m with respect to y, we know that 4x plus 4x plus 6y minus n with respect to x is equal to 2x plus 2y, or is same as 4x plus 6y minus 2x plus into minus 2y, or is same as the difference is 2x, 4x minus 2x is nothing but 2x, 6y minus 2y is nothing but 4y, or is same x plus 2y. This is the difference value. M with respect to y minus n with respect to x is equal to 2 times of x plus 2y. This expression close to either m or n. So here the difference is 2 times of x plus 2y, here n is equal to x times of x plus 2y. Clearly this expression is close to n, For compute 1 by n times of m with respect to y minus n with respect to x is equal to. So this expression close to n, therefore we compute the term n 1 by n times of m with respect to y minus n with respect to x. So numerator term, the difference is 2 times of x plus 2y divided by, in denominator n is equal to, we know that x in times of x plus 2y. Here x plus 2y get cancelled, remaining value 2 by x is denoted by f of x. Therefore 1 by m del m by del y minus del n by del x is equal to 2 by x is nothing but, means for timing it denoted by f of x. For further continuation, integrating factor. For this function, integrating factor is e power integral of f of x into dx. This is the integrating factor, or is same as e power f of x is nothing but 2 by x with respect to x, or is same as e power 2 constant integration of 1 by x. So 1 by x integration is nothing but log x. So 2 times of log x, or is same as e power log x square. By using the properties of logarithmic function, here I am mentioning that property, log m power n is same as n into log m. This is one property, and also another one property of logarithmic function, e power log x is nothing but x, and e power log x power n is equal to x power n. These three are important properties of logarithmic function. Therefore, here I am going to use the last one property, e power log x power n is nothing but x power n. Similarly, here e power log x square is equal to, this is x square. This is the integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to x square. So here I am using this property, exponential, logarithmic exponential property, e power log x power n is equal to x power n. Therefore, e power log x square is equal to x square. This is integrating factor. After finding an integrating factor, so the integrating factor is equal to x square, multiplication of this factor into the equation. The equation is m is equal to and n is equal to. Therefore, m is equal to, x square is an integrating factor. We are multiplying x square to the given equation into the equation. So 4xy plus 3y square minus x, and n is equal to, x square is an integrating factor, x square plus 2xy. Therefore, is same as m is equal to 4x cube y plus 3y square x square minus x power 3 and n is equal to x power 4 2x cube y. Then find out there now derivative of m with respect to y and n with respect to x. Of m with respect to y is equal to, so here with respect to y 4x cube into differentiation of y is 1 plus 3y square differentiation 6y into x square constant minus 0, x power 3 differentiation with respect to y is 0. Then n with respect to x is equal to, with respect to x power 3, sorry x power 4, 4x power 3 plus differentiation of 2x cube 6x square into y. Now observe that derivative of m with respect to y and n with respect to x, 4x cube plus 6x square y, 4x cube plus 6x square y. Therefore derivative of m with respect to y is equal to n with respect to x. Now the given equation is exact differential equation. Given differential equation is exact differential equation, means after multiplying this integrating factor to the given equation, then we reduce the given equation into exact equation form. Already we know that solution of exact differential equation. Now write down the solution for this problem. Solution is, so integral of m with respect to x plus integral of n of y with respect to y is equal to c. Here c is an integral constant. Already we know that in the last session c is an integral constant. Integral of m with respect to x keeping y fixed, and second term n of y indicates the term in n without x. Therefore first write down m is equal to, so m value m is equal to 4x cube plus 3y square x square minus x cube with respect to x plus n of y. N of y is nothing but the term in n without x. Just observe in term of n. Identify the term in n without x. So first term contain x, second term also contain x. Therefore n of y is equal to 0, dy is equal to c. The second term is 0. Now find out the integral value of first one. So integral value first one 4 into integration of x power 3 x power 4 by 4 into y plus 3y square constant integration of x square x power 3 by 3 minus integration of x power 3 x power 4 by 4 is equal to c. In the next line here x power 4 get cancel, 3 get cancel, remaining values x power 4 into y plus x cube into y square minus x power 4 by 4 is equal to c. This is the required solution. Required solution. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Okay. Now I am going to solve the problem number 2 in equation reducible to exact form. So first thing is the given problem solve y times of 2x minus y plus 1 with respect to x, so into dx plus x into 3x minus 4y plus 3 into dy is equal to 0. This is the second problem in equation reducible to exact form. First identify the given equation and compare the given equation with exact equation form. So a standard form of exact differential equation, we know that m into dx plus n into dy. Dx coefficient is m and dy coefficient is n. Here also dx coefficient is y times of 2x minus y plus 1 and dy coefficient is x times of 3x minus 4y plus 3. So just after comparing the given equation with the standard form of exact differential equation, directly write down where m is equal to, m equals y times of 2x minus y plus 1 and n is equal to x times of 3x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 2xy minus y square plus y, and n is equal to 3x square minus 4xy plus 3x. This is n and m. Now find out their derivative of m and n with respect to x and y. Therefore, m with respect to y. So, derivative of m with respect to y is equal to 2x. Derivative of m with respect to y is 1 minus 2y plus 1. This is the derivative of m with respect to y, and n with respect to x is equal to 6x minus 4y plus 3. This is the difference derivative of n with respect to x. Here clearly we observe that derivative of m with respect to y are not equal to n with respect to x. Therefore, the given problem is reducible to exact differential equation problem. Therefore, here m with respect to y not equal to n with respect to x means within a bracket. Therefore, given equation is not an exact differential equation, not an exact differential equation. So, in this case we take the difference. The difference is m with respect to y minus n with respect to x is equal to. So, just replace the term m with respect to y, partial derivative term 2x minus 2y plus 1 minus derivative of n with respect to x is 6x minus 4y plus 3, or is same as 2x minus 6x is nothing but minus 4x minus 2y minus of minus plus 4y is nothing plus 2y plus 1 minus 3 minus 2, or is same as it can be written in the form minus 2 as a common factor, remaining thing is 2x minus y plus 1. This is the difference value. M with respect to y minus n with respect to x is equal to minus 2 times of 2x minus y plus 1. This expression close to, just identify this expression close to either m or n. Just identify this is m, this is n. This expression is minus 2 times of 2x minus y plus 1, 2x minus y plus 1 into y. Therefore, this expression close to the expression m. Therefore, we need to compute 1 by m times of m with respect to y minus n with respect to x. So, is same as 1 by m into difference, the difference value minus 2 times of 2x minus y plus 1 divided by m term, m is equal to y times of 2x minus y plus 1. Here 2x minus y plus 1 in both numerator and denominator same term, therefore get cancel. Remaining value is equal to minus 2 by y. For time being it denoted by g of y. The whole expression is denoted by g of y. For this problem, integrating factor is EIF. IF stands for integrating factor is equal to e power minus of g of y into dy, or e power g of y minus g of y is equal to minus 2 by y with respect to y, or is same as e power 2 is constant taken outside of the integral, and minus of minus is plus is nothing but integral of 1 by y into dy, or e power 2 times of integration of 1 by y. We know that integration of 1 by y with respect to y is log y, or is same as e power log y square. By using the properties of logarithmic function, log m power n is nothing but n into log m, or integrating factor is equal to e power log y square is nothing but y square. This is an integrating for the given function, means integrating factor for the given function. In the next line, so given equation means m and n multiplied by an integrating factor will make the equation into exact one. So given equation multiplied by an integrating factor y square. Therefore, m is equal to y square times of 2xy minus y square plus y, and n is equal to y square times of 3x square minus 4xy plus 3x. So both m and n multiply by an integrating factor. Y square is an integrating factor. In the next line, m is same as 2xy cube minus y power 4 plus y power 3, and n is same as 3x square y square minus 4xy cube plus 3xy square. Or in the next line, find out the derivative, means derivative of m and n with respect to x and y. Therefore m with respect to y is nothing but differentiation of m with respect to y. Therefore 2 into y cube differentiation 3y square, 2 into 3 6xy square minus y power 4 derivative with respect to y, so 4y cube plus y power 3 differentiation 3y square. Similarly, n with respect to x equals, with respect to x derivative, x square 3y square is constant, x square derivative 2x, 2 into 3 6xy square minus 4y cube constant, differentiation of n with respect to x, so 4y cube into x is equal to differentiation of x equals 1 plus 3xy square derivative with respect to x, therefore 3 into y square. Now we observe that the derivative of m with respect to y is same as n with respect to x. So m with respect to y derivative 6y square minus 4y cube plus 3y square, with respect to x 6y square minus 4y cube plus 3y square. Therefore m with respect to y is equal to n with respect to x. After multiplying by an integrating factor, given equation is an exact. Therefore given equation is an exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. Now find out the solution of exact differential equation. Solution is, already we know that, so solution for exact differential equation, m into dx, integral of m into dx plus integral of n of y into dy is equal to c, where c is an integral constant. Now replace m value, m is equal to 2xy cube minus y power 4 plus y cube into dx plus n of y is equal to 0, because the term n, each term in n contain x, therefore n of y is equal to 0, is equal to c, c is an integral constant. So integrate the first term with respect to x. So integration of first term 2 into x power 2 divided by 2 with respect to x into y cube minus y power 4 is constant, integration of 1 x plus y cube constant, integration of 1, sorry, integration of plus y cube constant into integration of 1 with respect to x is x, so plus 0 is equal to c, or is same as 2 get cancel, so x square y power 3 minus x into y power 4 plus x into y power 3 is equal to c. This is the required solution. This is the required solution of the problem number 2. Okay. Now I am going to solve the problem, the last problem in equation reducible to exact equation form. The problem is, solve x square plus y square plus x into dx plus xy into dy is equal to 0. This is the last problem in equation reducible to exact equation form. Here solution is, here m equals x square plus y square plus x and n equals xy. Okay. Then find out the derivative with respect to y and x. M with respect to y, differentiation of m with respect to y is 2y only, because first term x square, derivative m with respect to y is 0, last term also 0, therefore y derivative 2y, and derivative of n with respect to x equals y, differentiation of x is 1 into y, therefore y. Clearly we observe that So m with respect to y not equal to n with respect to x. Therefore, given equation is not an exact differential equation, means it is reducible to exact differential equation. Therefore, in this case we can take their difference. The difference is m with respect to y minus n with respect to x is equal to m with respect to y is nothing but 2y minus n with respect to x nothing but y. The difference is y. 2y minus y is equal to y. This expression close to the expression m or n. This expression close to n because n is equal to x into y. This expression close to, not exactly, close to the expression n. Therefore, we need to find out 1 by n into m with respect to y minus n with respect to x is same as difference is y divided by n is equal to x into y. Here y get cancelled is equal to 1 by x is denoted by f of x. For time being, the value of 1 by n del m by del y minus del n by del x denoted by f of x. In this problem, integrating factor is equal to, IF stands in integrating factor is equal to e power integral of f of x into dx, or is same as integral of f of x. F of x nothing but 1 by x with respect to x, or e power integral of 1 by x is nothing but log x. So, again by using properties of logarithmic function, e power log x is nothing but integrating factor is equal to x. E power log x is nothing but x. Therefore, integrating factor for the given problem is x. Multiplication of this integrating factor to the given equation, the m becomes m is equal to m x times of, because x is an integrating factor, x square plus y square plus x, and n is equal to x into xy is same as m is equal to x power 3 plus xy square plus x square. After multiply by an integrating factor, m becomes, and n is equal to x square y. Now find out their derivative with respect to y and x. So m with respect to y is equal to, so with respect to y, first term 0, last term 0, x into y square differentiation 2xy. Similarly, n with respect to x is equal to 2xy. Now we can clearly observe that, so derivative of m with respect to y is same as n with respect to x. Therefore, m with respect to y is equal to n with respect to x. After multiply by an integrating factor, given equation reduces to an exact differential equation. Therefore, given equation is exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. Now find out their solution. Solution of the exact differential equation. So integral of m with respect to x plus n of y with respect to y is equal to c. So here just replace m and n values. N means n of y. M is equal to x power 3 plus xy square plus x square with respect to x plus n of y. The term in n of y means the term in n without x. Identify the term in n without x means only n contains only one term. The term contains x itself. Therefore, n of y is equal to 0, is equal to c. Or the integrate the first term with respect to x. So first term with respect to x integration, x power 4 by 4 plus x square into y square divided by 2 plus x power square x power 3 by 3 plus 0 is equal to c, or is same as x power 4 by 4 plus x square y square divided by 2 plus x power 3 by 3 is equal to c. This is the required solution. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Okay, thank you.